Okay, so here's the oil level switch. This yellow wire, when I was scrubbing back here, I tugged on it and I broke it off. So that wire travels through there behind the rack, power steering rack, and then it goes up and over, and then behind the oil pressure sender switch. So I follow the path because somebody told me which way the wire goes, and I went all the way to the top where I found it, and I had to cut the sleeve where all these wires connect, and I found where it broke off, and I added a new 16 gauge wire to it, and I mended it, and I soldered it, and I tucked it back here. I tucked it away back here, and that's it. And now the light doesn't blink anymore. So here we are. Oil level light comes on, and it's supposed to turn off when you start the car. There it is, all fixed.